The automation use cases now become a lot easier once you know a lot about the data. When I showed you that use case back over there with our OneDrive, to be able to ask, what type of file are you? Of course, it knows that it's a non-disclosure agreement. To be able to ask, what are the principles that are in this document? You can easily ask, what are the principles that are in this document? What type of document is it? So let's analyze it. Of course, we know it's an NDA. And what is the content in there? I know it's between Shinydocs Corporation and Whizzle Limited. The ability for the natural language to go through, understand what the content is, and be able to extract out these nice entities, extract out locations, dates, currency, all sorts of other information. Now you can start driving some pretty easy decision making associated with this content. I'll go into a couple of use cases here. It's a government use case that there's sensitive data associated with particular topics. If you have that sensitive data in an index and it's flagged as sensitive, whenever somebody goes to attach it to an email or whenever somebody wants to send it via whatever collaboration tool, imagine if you made one API call to our system and said, hey, is this document, do you know about it and is it sensitive? It's easy for us to figure out if this is a duplicate of something we've seen before. But even more cool is that we can use that similar technology that we're looking at before, and it can give you a vote on how much it is like existing sensitive information. Do you try to attach a document to Outlook that happens to be something sensitive within your organization? We can prevent that. In this case, when we're dealing with the customer, they say that the data breaches happen all the time, and it's not because people are hacking. It's because their internal users just don't really know how to treat the information. So we can put automation in place to ensure that the data treatment is being done in a responsible way. And the end users, they're never going to learn anyway, so they don't have to learn.